clientele to participate, so we didn't get the desired numbers. We only managed to achieve a total of 568 respondents, of which 20 were incomplete. So we could only analyze a total of 548 responses from our customers. I would like to encourage all of us that it is really important, like the Chief Judge had mentioned, that you let a third party do the assessment on your behalf, for that would give you a clear indication on how you're being ranked. I know there are a lot of reservations in the market with regard to Data Protection Act, but as industry players in research, we conform to the requirement of data protection law, and we only proceed with the respondents who are voluntarily willing to participate in our researches. So please, we encourage you in future, because I know we work for some of the players in the industry. They do allow us to collect data on their behalf, and that gives room for them to see an assessment from a third party. But it's good for those that responded, and this customer satisfaction survey looked at various tenets, and we focused on key 9 thematic areas that included the first point of interaction, the personnel that offer these services, that is ourselves in the room, claim handling services. We looked through accessibility. How do people access us whenever they want to buy the insurance product? We looked at products and services, the various products and services that we are offering. We looked through the technological advancement that we've brought into the industry. We looked at trust and corporate image, our loyalty, how our customers loyal to us. Would they consider us as the first point of call, or if they had a choice, they would look for a different supplier? Then also we looked at the value for the prices that we pay for the insurance, the various products and services that they look for. And the analysis for those that participated is available, but free for all. I'll give you some of the insurance needs or the responses based on the respondents who participated. And that can help us also in our business planning as players in the industry, just to know what do those that participated in the research say are some of their insurance needs. And based on this research, motor vehicle insurance is claimed by 41% as one of the current need that they look for. Life insurance at 34%. We look at educational cover, 22%. Medical insurance mentioned by 2 in every 10. Then personal accident. So these are some of the key products that the people feel are some of the pressing products that they need for the market. Moving on, we did want to find out whether there are changes, whether there has been a change over the last 1 year in terms of their needs for the insurance products. And we can report 41% mentioned that there has been a change. And what necessitated these changes includes their family growing bigger, mentioned by 31%. Then there's need for an income after I retire. So there are people who go and look for specific products that would help them at retirement age. There are those who say my child or children started attending school, so there's need for insurance policies. I acquired a property, so once somebody acquire property, they would need cover for that property. Some say they started a family, my income increased, so with an increment on income, there are those that are looking for insurance. concern for their health mentioned by 15%, concern for my family's health 13%. There are those who take our cover because they lost a job mentioned by 12%. There are those that also take our cover because they got a job. And of course, for bereavement mentioned by 2%. Forecasting, what are some of the products, or what are some of the areas that the respondents who we spoke to felt has not been adequately addressed by the, maybe they are there, but we could also look at it in terms of our business planning to focus on covering property, that was mentioned by 28%. They feel it has not been adequately addressed. Life assurance mentioned by 27%, medical 24%, educational policy mentioned by 21%. So for those that are doing our business plans and forecasting for the future, I believe this, and including what one of our judges mentioned, are areas that we can cover so that we can grow our portfolio. Then also we looked at COVID performance in the industry, and we wanted to find out whether the people that we cover, whether COVID-19 affected them, and if it did affect them, was it both financial or it was just a personal health issue. We can report that 40% mentioned it was both financial and health issue, with 37% mentioning it was a finance issue, and only 14% reported it was a personal health issue. And what did we do as an industry in terms of trying to cushion the people that we serve? And indeed, yes, there are 34% who reported that coronavirus affected the way they access our insurance policies or covers. And those that were affected mentioned they were not able to pay their insurance on time. Then there are those who say they had to do a lot of increased visitation to different hospitals or online consultation. Then there are those who said also it has led to increase in premium rates. I don't know whether we did increase our premium rates. Then also it led to delay in premium payments. As a person who is covered, there are those who could not pay their premium on time when we need it. Then access to COVID-19 cover was also mentioned by 4%. And what did we do as industry to cushion these people? 33% reported that they did contact us and we restructured their premium, which was a plus. Then there are those also who said we waived some of the transactional fees that we used to levy. Then there was also offering on some of the cashback, then offering free consultations whenever they approached us. And for the medical insurance cover, for the companies that are offering medical insurance, we wanted to find out the rate or where are our clientele base happy with our services. And we can report 62% reporting they're happy, and only 32% mentioning that they're neither happy nor unhappy. But there's a 6%, which is insignificant, who claimed not to be very happy. So that is what we wanted to share with yourselves as part of the snippet of the larger report that we have for the different players, and we will be reaching out to you individually to share how your companies are viewed or were rated by the people that we serve. Thank you for the audience.
right, so we continue, and we'll ask Bwana Jovi not to